Day 5. Feel me? Not gonna lie, my mouth still hurts, bro. Like, bro, you see, it's nighttime right here. I didn't start this video until like a couple minutes until I got to post. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I've been locked in on this ebook for y'all. Bro, when I tell y'all, this right here is the sauce. Like, this is all my years of selling digital products into one ebook, fam. Y'all see, I've been working on this for days if you've been watching the YouTube video. But it's literally teaching you how to master Canva. Also, teaching you how to make your first products, how to make your products in general. And it gives you free thumbnails that I use in general. Free files that I use in general to link my products. Like, everything is, bro, there's nothing that is not in here that you need to sell products on Etsy, family. Like, I understand that y'all been asking me so many questions, so I incorporated all of them into here, bro. Optimizing your listing, everything, tips to succeed, everything. So it's like, bro, there's no excuses anymore. It's 2024. If you're broke, it's your fault. Especially when you got things like this. You're gonna pay thousands of dollars for school that teaches you nothing when this can literally replace your job in a matter of fucking of weeks and months. You feel me? When I say replace your job, it's gonna be a matter of at least months. You get me? But at the starting point, this is passive. I mean, in general, it's passive income, fam. Like, you cannot beat this, and this is an exact walkthrough on how to do it. So if you want it, comment the word digital and I'll send it to you, fam. It's that simple. And I be trying to pay that coach that I'm fixing nothing. I'm going to school, baby, home, but that's it up. Soon I think people really just gonna realize that I truly don't care about this app. It's literally just a game to me. I'm just playing a video game, bro. Like, my life is amazing with or without this app, you feel me? Like, they be talking about you scam the center, I be trying hard to impress. I don't care, family. If only I could quantify the amount that I do not care, I would. Just because I record don't mean that I care, like, about your opinions. I don't. I record this because I said I'm gonna record it. I record this because I said I want to do YouTube content, and I know that that's gonna pay money and it's gonna drive. I have big visions, you feel me, that I don't even need to talk about it, you feel me? Because I don't care, you get me? So it's like, but I'm just posting to post. This shit is the algorithm thing. If you see what I'm doing and you know that I'm locked in, you know that I'm teaching you how to make money, then you know that I'm locked in, fam. You're paying attention, you're learning, whatever the case may be. But if you're not, like, I mean, even if you are, look, family, I'm really just living life. You get me?